Hello everyone, my name is Osby. I'm currently a second-year PhD student here in Taiwan at Tamkang University, and nakapag-stay na ako dito sa Taiwan for almost 5 years now. So, a couple of reasons kung ba't gusto ko dito sa Taiwan is first, because of safety. Ang Taiwan is actually the third safest country in the world according to a statistic last year, and dahil doon ay talaga namang magbigay ito ng sense of security para sa pamilya mo na nasa Pilipinas dahil alam nilang walang mangyayari sa'yo. Second reason kung ba't gusto ko dito is because of their public transport system and also less traffic kumpara sa Manila. So, ang kanilang MRT system ay napaka-advanced, and dahil doon, sobrang daling mag-traverse sa buong Metro Taipei area and also the outskirts. And aside from sa kanilang MRT, ay also their bus system. So, halos lahat ng places na gusto mong puntahan ay meron silang ruta papunta doon. So, napaka-convenient talaga. And complementing that is also their U-Bike. So it's like a bicycle rental system na ang pwede mong gawin is pwede kang mag-rent from one place and then pwede mo siyang isoli to another place as long as merong rental stations dun sa kung saan mo siya isosoli. And dahil sobrang kalat ng rental stations dito ay napaka-convenient talaga. And the last reason, not the last but the fourth reason, there are many reasons, but the fourth reason is because of the people. So, ang mga Taiwanese talaga ay napakabait at napaka-respectful. So, hindi ko siya ma-explain sa inyo. Siguro mas maganda na lang na ma-experience siya for yourselves kapag pumunta kayo dito. And I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.
Everyone, my name is Russell Clemente and I'm an overseas Filipino worker here in Taiwan. Nagsimula ako mag-aral dito sa Taiwan noong 2018 hanggang 2020 with a full scholarship, and nagtapos ako ng Masters in Applied Material Science. After ko graduate dito sa Taiwan, bibigyan kayo ng privilege na Taiwan to extend your visa for 1 year to help you look for a job. And ang unang trabaho ko ay research assistant in Tamkang University. Ang living cost dito sa Taiwan ay hindi ganun kalaki, and ang pagpapagamot ay very cheap. Dahil sa health insurance card na binibigay ng Taiwan para sa mga taong may alien resident card. For the salary, if you studied master's or doctorate degree here in Taiwan, the salary will be above the minimum wage or even double the minimum wage. So I highly encourage you to study here in Taiwan.